Hello guys, today I'm making modagiro cow feet with matumbo tripes and okra. So I'm making okra stew with fufu. Stay tuned. The first thing I did, I boiled my matumbo with cow feet for 10 minutes, pour the water out, clean it, then boil it again for 6 hours. After it has boiled, I'm going to start making my okra. So I will grate my okra, put it in a pot, add a half cup of water and cook it for 5 minutes. Then I will blend white onion, habanero, ginger and garlic. In a pot I'll add palm oil, roughly chopped white onion. Then I'll add beef cubes and the mix that I blended. I'm going to add 1.5 tomato. After it has cooked to soft, I will add my boiled cow feet and tripes. Mix it well, then add bay leaves. And then I'm going to add cumin powder. I will add rosemary because I love the taste of rosemary. And then I'm going to put my okra now inside. And this is how I made my okra stew. Add more salt to taste, and I'm going to serve my okra stew with fufu. So I'm going to chop the cassava and plantain. They call it plantain. This is just normal banana. I'm going to cut it into really small cubes. Then I'll put it in a blender with a little bit of water, let it blend bit by bit, and then I'll transfer the paste in a pot, add a little bit of salt, turn my heat on and start mixing. When you start mixing, you don't stop until you get this nice consistency. Just continue mixing. See, my fufu is ready. This is fufu. Don't tell me this is not fufu. This is how it always looks and it tastes good. At this point, you guys should just call me which name? Adeze. Call me Adeze. Just anytime I cook Nigerian food, call me Adeze. It does not only look good, it tastes good. I'm telling you guys. Ni tamu. Mwah.